Here's David picking up his new acquisition, Honda Accord. I think it's early 80s. And looks pretty good. Nice clean car. Still got the old Rotary or Lions Club stickers on it from the probably the guy that used to own it, the old boy that had it. Very clean. So just going to store it temporarily at the factory. It's like the collection of orphans. David's filling up his Honda Accord, showing empty on the gauge. So I don't know if the gauge isn't working or whether it is genuinely empty. It's probably empty, I'd say. Okay. It's got some fuel for the car. Don't know whether the gauge works or not, but we'll soon find out. Looks good. Okay, so there was terrible wind noise here. So here's David arriving at the factory, just temporary storage. And it's funny, these little cars from the 80s, they look quite fragile and light on the road compared to newer cars now. They're a lot smaller and, yeah, a lot more fragile and lighter in weight than newer cars. But, yeah, I think they've got a bit of charm and quite unusual to see a car like this these days, these little Hondas. You would have thought nothing of them when they were new. But, you know, it's kind of cool to see them here now and preserved the way that they are. So, yeah, I think it's a nice little acquisition for David. So, David, what did you think of it?
Yeah, it's good.
Doesn't blow any smoke or anything. It's quite good. You got to pop the boot, get the train plate off. Yeah, it's probably not the most powerful car I've ever driven, but it's fine. Seems to get along all right. Is the door locked? Passenger side? Right.
Nice little car.
Yeah, it's cool. Nice comprehensive instrumentation and little clock up there, digital clock. That's kind of funny. Thought it was almost wood grain, but I think it's just maybe it's discoloured, I don't know. But in lovely condition. It's got seat covers on it, but the velour upholstery and all the door trims look nice, and had headlight covers obviously on it. It's got some little things there for that. But yeah, I think it's cool. Going to show us the donk. Yeah, it's cool. It's in very nice condition. Do you know when the timing belt's been done, or you don't have that? It'd be good to find that out.
I was going to give it a service.
Yeah, I don't know if they've got a belt or a chain. Probably a belt.
It's like a belt by the housing.
Yeah, I'd say it's a belt. What year model is it? Should be on the plate somewhere. Yeah, on there. Up the top there.
80...
Is it? Hang on. That's when it was made. Can't read it from here. Yeah, it's really nice and clean. So it's an 81 model we've worked out. Yeah, it's cool. I think it's pretty nice for a 1981. It's quite a modern car for 1981. I think of my little 40 XP 82 model. I think this kind of seems like a newer car. Not that that's any benchmark to go by, but
Yeah, that's not bad.
yeah, you happy with it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And what prompted you to buy it?
Actually, my wife,
Your wife liked it.
she likes it.
Well, that's always a good motivating factor when you buy other
This will be her
cars.
little hobby car. Or
Yeah,
one of her hobby cars.
Yeah.
I think she'll like
I think it's great. Put it on Club Rego and take it to some car shows. Why not?
it. Do a few minor things it needs doing, and
Could maybe take the Hyundai XL and this along to a show and really stand out from the crowd.